Now moving on, according to Rwanda's Ministry of Foreign Affairs, signing of the agreement and those that are concerned with it, well, the discussions are underway in preparation for the signing of this agreement. Take a look. The leader of St. Karori Rwanga Youth Association says that the 21st century should not face the same problem as the 20th century because of the invention of these nuclear weapons.
The
weapons invented in 20th century inspire the investors in the 21st century to always have that fear that one day there should be an outbreak of those weapons. Then we really appreciate that in this century we have treaties to stop these weapons.
In 2017, the United Nations approved the Treaty on the Prohibition of the Nuclear Weapons, which was effected on January the 22nd, 2021, after the 50th country ratified it. UN experts believe that eliminating these weapons is beneficial to the world because of the high effects due to its toxicity.
The number, if we went into detail about what a nuclear weapon does, the extraordinary impact that it would have in the immediate instant, an explosion that burns hotter than the sun, that has the blast and the electromagnetic pulse that wipes out everything for, depending on the size of the nuclear weapon, a radius of many kilometers. There's nothing that can be done. And the example that a lot of people look to is Hiroshima and Nagasaki, and we know what those weapons did to those cities. But we should keep in mind that the weapons that people have today, that the nuclear-armed countries have today, are up to 300 times more powerful than the weapons that were used in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. That was old technology. Those were the first atomic bombs. But since the 1950s, we have these bigger and bigger bombs, the hydrogen-based bombs, that make those weapons look like bows and arrows.
Rwanda has not yet signed to fully ratify this agreement, according to Mr. Robert Ragasana. The concerned authorities are, however, doing everything possible to sign and ratify this agreement.
The ministry which is supposed to share an opinion on its regulations is MINADEF, but they have not yet did, due to that these agreements are new. According to the way the ratification is done, it takes time. You can't sign it immediately, even if you support the idea. So you have to take time. What you need to know is that we will sign it. Yes, it's a process, but it will be done.
It's a process, and is a
Currently, China, the United States of America, the United Kingdom, France, and Russia legally possess these nuclear weapons, although there are many other countries that possess these weapons illegally.